Hello guys and welcome to the Ministry of JavaScript. In this video we are going to be looking at the another prototype method of an array which is called .map. Basically map is used to loop through the elements in array, and in a response it will return a new array every time, right? So how can we implement it? If we can be able to implement it using .map, arr.map, and basically map takes a callback function, and this callback function we can assign three parameters: index and arr as well, the array itself. But we don't want to work with index or array, we just want its value. So in this example what I want to do is basically I want to get a new array. So const new arr new array equal to, and I want to sum the number of every element with 2. So how I can do that? Well, plus 2. If I come over here and write new arr, then as you can see we are getting 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So basically this is how you can work with map function in JavaScript programming. So the difference between for each and map is basically for each also loop through an element, map also loop through an element, but the main difference is for each does not return a new array, map do return a new array. So this is all from this video. I will see you in the next video. Have a nice day.